Hey there! Are you looking forward to start a career in the field of industrial automation or you want to explore that field? Then you are here at the right place. Let me introduce myself. My name is Tom and in this video we are going to learn industrial automation. So these are the contents, the introduction section where I give an idea about the evolution of industrial automation, then what is industrial automation, why we need it, the various levels in industrial automation systems and its different types. So that's it. Now let's go to the topic.
Hey guys, welcome to the introduction section. So, for the better understanding, let me explain it with the help of a story. So, there was once a guy who wanted to start a potato chip manufacturing business. Even though he was readily available with a lot of potato, he don't know how to cut it, fry it, or even to pack it. So, these are the three main processes involved in the manufacturing or making of these potato chips. So, he assigned three guys who are the master of these process. Okay, let's keep aside that cleaning and peeling process just to make the story simple. So, with the help of these three guys, the main guy here was able to start the business. And the business went so good that the people really liked his product, and the market also demanded his product more and more. And then he came to know the fact that it is impossible to complete all these tasks within the deadline with these three guys in the place where he need 50 such guys. So what did he do? He searched for that 50 guys, and when he found some, he was not at all satisfied. You know why? They were not that experienced guys, or we can say that they were the freshers. So he don't want to risk his business trying them. Yeah, that's what most companies do. Then he searched for another way and he found that it is possible to make these process faster with the help of some machine. So he introduced some machines to the whole process, and you know what machines are good at, they will definitely save your time and double or triple your production. And now in the place where he need 50 such guys, he replaced it with some machines and one or two extra guys to deal with the technical side, while the three main guys will lead the process by their decision making skills and their experience. So, this particular stage of introducing machines to make the entire process faster is called the mechanization. Due to this mechanization, his business began to grow faster, and now he is dealing with a bulk amount of product. And then he came to know about another level, the higher level, and he applied that to what is that level? So, that is industrial automation or simply automation.
What is automation? The word automation means a machine move by itself. Or we can say that automation replaces the human involvement with the use of logical programming and powerful machine. And for that, we need automation control devices such as a PLC, PAC, SCADA, HMI, computer, DCS, etc. That sounds more like an intermediate level. So let me give you some clarification. And for that, we need to go back to the mechanization stage. In the introduction section, I told you that there are three main processes: cutting, frying, and packing, right? And we have seen that mechanization stage replaced those processes with the help of some machines. It was so beneficial and productive. Then why did he switch to automation? Or what is the need of automation there? Okay, now let's dig it out. Why automation? In the mechanization stage, machines are operated by humans manually. And when we humans are dealing with something, there is a chance of making error. We may not be able to work consistently. We can get injured. We may not be punctual. Routine check is needed. Yeah, all those things can affect the production. It may be okay for medium level of production, but when you think of this large scale and very large scale of production, these minute things can affect the entire production seriously. So, what's the solution? So since these processes are repeating, can we program the machines and make these processes repeat automatically, similar to the one that we use to control a toy car with Arduino? Yes, we can. And for that, the basic requirements are a PLC, which is a programmable logic controller, field device. Okay, I'll give you a basic idea on field devices in the next section. And then a computer and a software that can program the PLC that we choose and the machine to be programmed. So ultimately, this stage is called automation, and when we apply it for industrial level, it is called industrial automation. Now let's go to various levels or the hierarchy of an industrial automation system. First one, the field level. So it is the lowest level, which includes field devices such as sensors and actuators. So why field devices are needed? So if a machine need to function when there is a motion, as you all know, we will use sensors to detect that motion. And these actuators are devices such as motors, valves, flow meter, which converts electrical signal to mechanical, hydraulic, etc. And the next level or the higher level is the control level. Control level consists of automation devices such as CNC machines, PLC, PAC, etc. So they are used to acquire the process parameters from various sensors, and they drive the actuators based on this and the program feeder. Supervising and production control level. So here we have HMI, DCS and SCADA to monitor various parameters, setting production target and for setting the starting and shutdown of machine. And last but not the least, the information or the enterprise level. So it is the top level of industrial automation and it deals more with the commercial activities and less with the technical aspects. So now let's go to the types of industrial automation. So the first one is fixed or hard automation. As the name indicates, it is used to perform fixed and repetitive process. One of the best example for fixed automation is the conveyors. Programmable automation. So since it is programmable, we can modify the overall control program. However, it is hard to change and reconfigure the entire system for a new product or new operation. So this automation is used in batch production process where the product volume is medium or high. The product volume means if it is low, then they are producing 1 to 100 units per year. Medium means 100 to 10,000 units per year, and high is 10,000 to million. And here for programmable automation, it is medium or high. Industrial robots are example for programmable automation. Flexible or soft automation. Here we can change the product design quickly, and a mixture of different products can be produced one after another. A robotic arm is an example for flexible or soft automation. And that's all for the time. So if you love this video and want to know more about automation and related things, subscribe to our channel, enable that bell icon so that you are actually automating something. And of course, you won't miss any further updates from this channel. So hear me in the next video. Until then, take care.